Man, I don't know what to do. I just want to drop out of high school because I can't just do this stuff anymore. I just can't do this stuff anymore. Who is it?
It's me, RXP.
The door is open. Come on in. Xavier, where you at? I'm right here. Oh, there you are. Hey, man. How are you? We haven't seen each other for about 2 years. What's going on? Well, uh, I was being so disciplined that I couldn't do nothing because I was on that phone and and one of the moderators, one of our moderators in the classroom said that I was being so disciplined that I couldn't do nothing. I was too lazy to do nothing. I mean, to do stuff. That's what I meant to say. And I don't know. You don't understand, RXP. I just want to drop out, okay? I can't do this anymore. I'm sick and tired of my teacher and the moderators in the classroom telling me what to do. I just want to drop out, okay? Look, XTC Productions, Xavier the creator, I know you feel that way, okay? But you got to listen to those moderators and your teacher. But if you don't listen to your teacher or the moderators, then then just drop out. But if the moderators or your teacher tells you to do something, you do it. Because this has nothing to do with me. Because like literally, today you made a quiz about hey guys, I got a question. Should I drop out of school? I mean, high school? I think that's what you said. And I commented on your quiz and I said, yes, drop out. You can do whatever you want. But I realized my mistake. Look, man, but you have to listen to your teacher or the moderator of the classroom because you can't be disrespectful and disciplined because that's not how that's not how school is, buddy. You have to listen to your teachers. I mean, your teacher and the moderators. I hope you're right, RXP. I hope you're right. I will do what I must to stay in high school and not drop out. I feel listen to my teachers and I don't know what else. I mean the moderators. That's what you was talking about. Moderators. Yeah, you know I'm right, Xavier. Because let me ask you this. Is your dad gonna ground you, or he just gonna get you another chance? Literally, that's my opinion. I don't know, RXP. Probably my dad's gonna ground me because I've been showing out at that school being disrespectful and discipline. Yeah, when my dad gets home, he's gonna whoop my butt. Like literally, that's my opinion. That's my opinion too. That's what I meant to say. Alright, Xavier. Remember I said, plus, I'm finna go back to my house and make some videos. That's what I finna do. Make some videos. So yeah. So I finna go back to my house and make some videos. Hey. Never mind. Oh wait. Uh you better you better watch yourself. You better watch yourself. That's what I meant to say. You better watch yourself. So you better listen to your teachers and those moderators. Because if you don't, just drop out. So I finna go. See ya. Bye, RHP. Good luck making videos. Why? Just why me?